The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skiller! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, there's a video that is out on social media that shows of something that had happened in Jamaica where members from the Jamaica Constabulary Force along with members from the Jamaica Defense Force removing a body from a church during a funeral service. Now, this video is out on social media where some people are wondering what could have caused something like this. However, I am going to show you the video so that you can have a better understanding of what had happened. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Police are take body out of church. We never see that yet. The whole of the church are surrounded by police and soldiers. Just relax. I'll go down there. Alright, me I'll come with you. I'll come with you. I'll come with you. Alright. Hold on, law enforcement. Hold on, law enforcement. No. Sir?
You know your yard.
Alright, sir.
You know your yard if you go.
Police are cut me
Viewers and subscribers, the fact that the Jamaica Constabulary Force with the Jamaica Defense Force had to both, go in a church to remove a body, you have to really and truly wonder, this is going to raise a lot of questions with it, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And one point of it when I look at is that, to me, it would have seems really bad for both of them go in a church, like maybe have a crowd control or something. But there is one obvious point in this that is going to be made or asked or speculated about or so forth, is that body that they are removing, maybe it is needed for some form of investigation that is going on, And this is just a guess, you know, I'm not confirming that that is what's going on, but you know, there can be more other reasons as to why the law enforcers of Jamaica decided to remove the body from a church during funeral service, other than the whole investigation thing that I just take a guess, you know, because that is just a guess, really and truly, you know. And then, you know, I'm gonna look at it, you know, that this is a funeral, so you know, so the family then probably they're in grief, and then, you know, with this happening, it's just going to make more sadness on top of sadness again. And then you have to think about all the money that has been spent to try and, you know, make a good funeral service for someone that them love, or a friend, or whatsoever that person might be to the people that is within the church, you know. But viewers and subscribers, you don't know me there, so to keep you up to date and posted, and I will try and keep you up to date pertaining to this whole incident that is showing where of the Jamaica law enforcers removing a body from a church during a funeral service, you see me? And you don't know me, I like to hear what you think about something like this. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?